Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something that many of us do without thinking twice. Sleeping with wet hair. Is it really bad for you? What are the consequences? And how can you avoid them? Let's find out. First of all, let me tell you that sleeping with wet hair is not a good idea. Why? Because when your hair is wet, it swells. This puts pressure on the cortex and cuticle, which are the inner and outer layers of your hair. This weakens your hair and makes it more prone to breakage and damage. Not only that, but sleeping with wet hair can also cause an imbalance in your scalp microbiome. This is the community of microorganisms that live on your scalp and help keep it healthy. When your scalp is too moist, it can create an environment for bacteria and fungi to grow. This can lead to scalp problems like dandruff, itchiness, and infections. So what can you do to prevent these issues? Well, the best thing to do is to dry your hair thoroughly before going to bed. You can use a hair dryer or a towel, but be gentle and avoid rubbing or pulling your hair too hard. You can also use a protein-rich hair mask after shampooing to fill your hair with amino acids that make it less porous and faster to dry. If you don't have time or energy to dry your hair completely, you can use some products that can help minimize the damage. For example, you can use an overnight serum or leave-in mask that nourishes and detangles your hair while you are asleep. These products work on a time-release technology that slowly releases the ingredients into your hair throughout the night. Another thing you can do is brush your hair before bedtime. This helps keep your hair entangled and reduces the friction and damage that can happen when you lay on the pillow. Use a paddle brush that also stimulates blood circulation in your scalp and promotes hair glow. Speaking of pillows, you might want to invest in a silk pillowcase. Silk is a smooth and soft material that reduces the friction between your hair and the pillowcase. Plus, silk is also good for your skin as it prevents wrinkles and irritation. Finally, if you want to refresh your hair in the morning, you can use some tricks to make it look more presentable. You can mist your hair with a light conditioning spray from the midsection to the ends, followed by applying a moisturizing cream. Then comb through and let your hair air dry naturally. You can also tie your hair into a top knot bun and release it when it's dry to create beach waves. Or you can use a simple hack that I learned from an article: rubbing your hair with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil can stop static, smooth strands, keep fly away at bay, and restore shine. Just rub it in a downward motion like brushing your hair and work it in small sections. I hope you have learned something new and useful about sleeping with wet hair. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. This will motivate me to do better. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.